We provide Pearson and SAM modules, SIMNet projects, including Capstone projects, Shelley Cashman series, and McGraw-Hill projects. We also help with MyMathLab courses, covering mathematics, statistics, accounting, and finance, along with other academic subjects. Make a deal for complete course in very reasonable price, and also
Hello everybody, I'm Mr. Malik and you're watching me on my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will discuss our next assignment that is related to chapter 12. So first of all, we will open our instruction file. Then we have to click on enable editing. Okay. So in today video, we will discuss XP25 Excel chapter 12 ML2 customer estimate. Then there is project description. We just increase its size also, so it must be visible. So in today's video, we will discuss XP25 Excel chapter 12 ML2 customer estimate. So before going to solve this assignment step by step, let me move toward whole assignment, how many points we have in today assignment. In today assignment, we have 15 questions in graded part, then last one is 16 one, which is a non-graded one. Okay, so we have just 15 question in today assignment. So let me start today assignment step by step. As we earlier discussed, the name of today assignment, that is XP25 Excel chapter 12 ML2 customer estimate project description. What is project description? Mean that will tell about the project, what we have in today project. Okay, you are a billing clerk for VJD for home renovation, a construction company that specializes in outdoor construction. Currently, your customer estimates are written by hand. You want to create template to standardize the estimate process to minimize the amount of development time required. You will download and edit an existing template from office.com. You will customize the template by editing fields, adding comments, and creating custom function using VBA. Okay, so that was simply project description that told what we have in today project, how we have to solve that one. Okay, so now we are moving to grade report. Steps to perform. Here is instruction. Question number 1. Start Excel, then download and open file name. This one that we have already downloaded from Pearson. Then Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of file name. Okay, so let me first open our solution file, or that is Excel file, or we call solution file. Click on enable editing. Now you may see our name is there. Okay, our last name is written before there in the start of file. Okay, so question number 1 is done. Now we are moving toward question number 2. Select the range A1 to H26. Okay, first we have to select the range A1 to H26. Press enter. Then clear all data validation that included in the worksheet. Okay, that is non-graded, but it's really important because if we didn't solve this part, then we cannot able to solve other part. Okay, because all other part are dependent upon this part. Okay, we have to clear all data validation, a rule that we have applied there E1 to H26. So for that we have to click on data. Then there is validation rule, clear validation circles. Then again open this one, clear all. Okay, yes. So question number 2 is done. In question number 2, we have to select the range A1 to H26 and clear all data validation that was included in the worksheet. So question number 2 is done. Now we are moving toward question number 3. Click cell B1. We have to move toward cell B1 here. Then enter VG day home renovation there. Okay, we have to copy this one. This one. Okay. So question number 3 is done. In question number 3, we just select or click cell B1 and there we enter VJD home renovations. We have in that one and we get this result. Okay. Now we are moving toward question number 4. Click cell F7, enter discount rate. Now we have to move towards cell F7. Yes, here and here we have in discount rate. Done. So question number 4 is done. In question number 4, we have to select or click cell F7 and there we have to enter discount rate. Question number 4 is done. Now we are moving toward question number 5. Insert a comments. Which comment? Please enter discount rate as percentage in cell G7. Okay, first we have to move to cell G7 here and here we have to in comments. So first we copy this comment which we have to in there. Copy this one, then right click and new comments and we have to in that one. Okay, simply press enter. So question number 5 is done. Question number 5 is 8 marks, mean it's quite big one. In question number 5 we have to insert the comments. Please enter discount rate as a percentage in cell G7. We have in. Okay, so question number 5 is done. Now we are moving toward question number 6. Use micro recorder to record micro named sort. So now we have to record micro. So for that we have to click on developer, record micro. What name we have to in? We have to in sort. Name of micro is sort. Okay. Then okay. Now simply press OK. So micro recording is started. The micro should sort the table in the range B9 to G20 in ascending order based on quantity column D. Where is column D? Here is sort by ascending order. Yes. Okay. Then be sure to stop micro record after completion. Yes. Now we have to stop micro. There is stop micro. So question number 6 is done. In question number 6, we have to use micro recorder to record a micro name sort. The micro should sort the table in the range B9 to G20 in ascending order based on quantity column D. Okay, be sure to stop the micro record after completion. We have done question number 6. Okay. Then now we are moving to our question number E7. Insert a form control button that spins the range I7 to M10. Then assign sort micro. Added the text of button to display sort. So in question number 7 we have to insert a form control button that spans the range I7 to M10. Then assign the sort micro. and added the text of button to display sort. Okay. Sorry. So same way we will solve question number 8 and 9 up to question number 15. Okay, step by step. So in today's video we have discussed XP25 Excel chapter 12 ML2 customer estimate. In start, we discuss project description. Then we move toward graded report and we have solved question number 1. Then we solve question number 2. In question number 2, our question number 2 is a non-graded one, in which we have to select the range H1 to H26. Then we have to clear all data validation that was included in the worksheet. Then we move toward question number 3. In question number 3, we just click cell B1 and there we have to enter this sentence VJD home renovation. Then we move toward question number 4 and select cell F7 and enter discount rate. Then we move toward question number 5 and insert the comments. Please enter discount rate as a percentage in cell G7. Then we move toward question number 6, where we have to use micro recorder to record micro name sort. The micro should sort the table in the range B9 to G20 in ascending order based on quantity column D. Be sure to stop the micro. Then in question number 7, we have to insert a form control button that spans the range I7 to M10, assign the sort micro and added the text of button to display the sort. So question number 7 is done. So same way we will solve other parts. So in today's video we have discussed almost half of assignment. Almost 50% assignment is done from my side in today's video. But if you need complete solution for this file, for that you have to contact me on my WhatsApp number, on my email ID, on my Instagram ID. All links are available in video description as well as there in bottom of this video. You may see here is my WhatsApp number and here is my email ID. You may contact me. I am available. I will solve and you will get 100% marks in next 30 minutes. And our price will be reasonable, so you can easily afford that one. You may also contact me for full course deal. Our deal will be reasonable in price and your marks will be 100%. You may also contact me for other courses just like mathematics, stats, English writing, English literature writing, accounting, C++, Java, Linux, textbook project, quizzes, midterm exam, final exam. So whatever you need to help regarding your academic, you may simply contact me on my WhatsApp number, on my email ID, on my Instagram ID. Response will be instant and result will be 100% in next 30 minutes. Price will be reasonable, so you can easily afford that one. So in today's video we have discussed XP25 Excel chapter 12 ML2 customer estimate. Almost half of assignment is done from my side. We will meet soon with our next assignment. So for that you have to subscribe my channel so you can get every latest video from my side. Take care, bye bye, best of luck for your future. Meet soon with our next assignment.